sending shots, these niggas they old. That boy rare, you know that he told. Like a granddad, I walk with that pole. Nike check from my head to my toe.
Yo boys, what's up? Today, I'm coming at you with a simple tutorial, alright? This video is just going to be on how to download WinRAR, which is the application I use for my files, which makes GTA modding 10 times easier. It makes it where you can actually highlight stuff and all that fun stuff. I really recommend this. So what you're going to do, man, is you're just going to go to the first link in the description, alright? Once you get here, you're going to click this blue download button at the bottom, okay? Then it'll bring you to this screen. What you're going to do is you see where it says platform? You're going to click platform, click Windows, and then just boom, it'll pop up right here. WinRAR 7.01. It might not say 7.01, but it's going to say English 64-bit. Just click on it, and then just put it on your downloads folder. Now it's down. We can open up our folder, which I'll just drag it to my desktop. Alright, man. So, once you download this, open it up, click yes. It's going to bring up this. You can choose where you want it to be downloaded. Me personally, I'm just going to keep it on default. Click install. Now here, you can either change the languages, you can make a desktop shortcut, start menu shortcut, but I'm just going to do default options, alright? Click OK, and then boom, now, WinRAR setup. It's been successfully installed, and you know what? You are completely good here now. Now you successfully have WinRAR installed. Hope you enjoyed this video. I'm finna make new tutorials, like I said, every single video. Make sure to like and subscribe, man. Appreciate y'all. I'll see y'all next one.